So good morning children. Today we are going to continue the story which we were studying, right? So the name of the story is A Trump of Surgery. Okay. So now everyone can see. Again we can write the title. So in the story till now, what we all have seen that Mrs. Pampere is there, who is having a dog whose name is Tricky, right? And what she used to do, she used to pamper the dog very much. That much she used to pamper the dog. She used to love the dog. She is that much affectionate with the dog that she used to give her a lot of things to eat. And because of that, what happened? The health of the dog is becoming worst. Okay, so we have seen one doctor is also there, and the doctor is taking the dog to the hospital, and then we will see in the story further what is happening with the dog and in the story. So page number 3, second column, first paragraph. Okay, so from here we can start our today's class. At the surgery, the household dogs surround me. So when the doctor is reaching, okay, Mr. Harriot is reaching to the hospital. There some more dogs are there who are surrounding him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay emotionless on the carpet. So when this dog Tricky is reaching to the hospital, that time how the dog is behaving, the dog is completely looking around and finding that it is noisy, all the other dogs are making sound, okay, and looking with the dull eyes, and put down, lay emotionless on the carpet. So when the people used to become emotionless, when the animals used to become motionless, when they don't show interest in the surrounding. So like that, only the dog Tricky is not showing any interest in the surrounding and motionless on the carpet, laid down. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds. So how in the hostel, children, this used to happen that a new student is coming, so all the rest of the student, they used to get interested in the new student, okay? Or in the classroom also, if a new child is coming, getting admission, all the children, they started asking name, from where you are coming, where is your birthplace, like this, so many things, they all started having the conversation. Same way here also, this is hospital, okay, and a new dog is coming. So there, how many dogs are leaving? All the dogs started gathering and started sniffing. Sniffing means just smelling and checking, okay. Decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So all the dogs, what they did, first they checked this Tricky dog, and they said that no, this dog is very uninteresting, not interested. So all the dogs in the hospital, they ignored Tricky, right? So we can say here that the Tricky was excluded from the group, okay, excluded. So not in the part of the group. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So now the doctor is saying that how I started medical treatment of Tricky. So the medical treatment of Tricky started, first of all, that the bed was there, and the bed was made with other dogs. How other dogs were sleeping there, like that only the bed of this Tricky dog was also there. For 2 days I kept an eye on him. And this doctor is saying that continuous 2 days I was observing that what the Tricky dog is doing, any movement, okay, the Tricky dog is involving with other dogs or not, how the Tricky dog is having the meals. So everything he was observing, right? Giving him no food but plenty of water. And you know how the treatment was done? First of all, children, that Mr. Harriot, he decided that I will not give the food only to the dog. For 2 days, okay, food was not given to the dog, only water was given. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surrounding. So when 2 days food was not given, only water he was getting, and then after 2 days, at the end of the second day, this dog Tricky started showing interest in the surrounding. So what we can understand that this dog, he was living with the Mrs. Pampare, who is a rich lady. Okay, so like that only he was behaving in the beginning. So at the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surrounding, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So what is the meaning of whimper? Whimper means making sounds. Okay, like how when one dog is barking, all the rest of the dogs started barking at the same time. So this is said to be the whimper. WHIMPER, whimper. So the third day, he started reacting also. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. And when the door was opened, the Tricky trotted. Trotted means doing the movement on the feet. Doing the movement on the feet is called trotted. And was immediately engulfed by Joy. So Joy is the another dog. Okay. This dog is in a grey color. So now becoming friend with Joy, Greyhound and his friends. So children, what we can understand from here? We can understand that if a dog is living with any family, rich family, poor family, on the street, but if the dog is allowed to live with other dogs, after a few days, what will happen? That he will also become the part of the company. Okay. So here we can say that this dog is coming from a very good master, Mrs. Pampare, who is a very rich lady, and she was taking care of this dog very much. Okay. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. So what the other dogs started doing? The other dogs started rolling this dog, means pushing it. Okay. So how the dogs used to play? The dogs used to play like this only, beating each other. Okay, pushing each other. So this is not fight. Actually, if you go and ask from the dog what you are doing, they will say that this is our games period. So because of this reason only, when the children used to fight, parents used to say that don't behave like dogs, right? Because we the human beings should not play in this manner. So Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. So when all the dogs started moving, that time Tricky is also following them. But Tricky is having fat, surplus fat, more fat, and finding it difficult to move from there. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. So after that, what happened? Writer is saying that I was present feeding time when it was the meal time, when food was given to animals. I watched while Tristan sloped the food into the balls. So one person is here, Tristan, who is giving the food in the balls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sound of high speed eating. So when the food was given to all the dogs started, we can say that all are fighting, okay, for the food. And the speed of high eating sound is audible. So how you are eating normally, and how if you eat very fast, you have to go somewhere in hurry. So that time how the sound will come. So it is noisy. It is not the part of discipline. So like that they used to eat. So because of this reason only, if someone is eating very fast and making sounds, so the parents and the teachers are saying that don't eat like animals, okay. So like this, who used to eat? Animals, and they are enjoying this. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So every dog was knowing this, that if we will not eat fast and if we will not fight for the food, what will happen? Maybe for our last meal we have to do a lot of struggle with the other animals. Okay, so they all were behaving like this. So actually children, we don't know exactly the sentiments and feelings of the animals, but only we can think that maybe they are feeling this, so they are behaving like this. Okay, like this we can relate. So page number 4, we all can see the picture also, that so many dogs are there and they are having the meal, and all the dogs are very much energetic to have the share of the meal for them. In that only Tricky also participated, right? So Tricky is also learning that for my food I have to fight. Okay. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining balls. Okay. So when after they had finished, first in the beginning what happened, that Tricky took a walk round the shining balls in which the meal was given, licking casually inside one or two of them. And when all had eaten, after that Tricky the dog is coming and started licking inside the ball. Next day an extra ball was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jousting his way towards it. And next day what happened, this dog Tricky also started fighting for the meal and showing interest. Now the question is, when this dog was living with Mrs. Pampere, that time no need to fight for the food. Why? Because Mrs. Pampere was very much affectionate towards this dog, and every time she was giving food, chocolates and extra thing. So that time there was no need to have any type of fight. But now for the survival, for the food, her fight is there. Okay, so we can say that this time Tricky is experiencing something which is real about the dog. Okay, or we can say that actually he is now living a life of dog. Then from then on his progress was rapid. So he was ill, but now what happened, when he started playing with other animals, when he started fighting for the meal, there was a progress in his health. Okay, rapid progress. Means we can say, children, that the progress was very fast. Okay, that the progress was very fast. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmage. So no treatment was given to this dog, okay? Because of his illness, no medical treatment was given. Only the treatment was given that he was allowed to live a life of dog, the creature what he was. He was screaming with other dogs, he was shouting with other dogs, he was fighting for the food with the other dogs, right? Maybe all the dogs are pushing each other, playing with each other, hurting each other. Same thing he also started doing. He discovered the joy of being bowled over. And now if anyone is bowling over, means rolling him, that time he also started enjoying this. Okay, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. And if anyone is hitting him, that also he started enjoying, he also started hitting back. He became an accepted member of the gang. And now we can say that he also became the accepted member of the gang of the dogs. Okay, first they saw that this dog Tricky is uninterested. Okay, we cannot show any interest in this dog. Okay, so they ignored. But later what happened? They all become friendly with Tricky, and Tricky also become the member of the gang. So what we can say, children, if anyone is spending time with anyone, right? For example, if you are going to a new class, first you will think that I am the odd one in the class. Or if you are joining a new coaching, you will think I am odd one in the coaching. But after some time, what will happen? That you can experience, you can feel that the peoples are ready to accept you, and you are also ready to accept the peoples. The same way here it is written about the dog, and we can relate to ourselves also. Silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at the meal time and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So what the routine was there of this dog Tricky, that in the daytime they all were fighting, playing, and they were fighting like the lion, okay, for the meal. And at the night time they were doing the hunting of the rat. So where this rat was? This rat was in the old hen house. So old hen house is there. Maybe this is the name hen house. Why? Because so many hens were living earlier there. So that house now rats are living, and these dogs are doing the hunting in the night. So this is a very adventurous life for Tricky, we can say, which he is enjoying a lot. All the while Mrs. Pamperer hovered anxiously in the background. So when these things was happening with the Tricky, okay, Mr. Harriot was doing the treatment of Tricky in this manner. That time Mrs. Pamper, she was very much worried that what is happening with the Tricky. Ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. And every day Mrs. Pamperer, she was making call to the doctor, call to Mr. Harriot. How many times? 8 dozen times it is written. So we can say that minimum 12 times he was calling to know the bulletins, means what is the latest information regarding the health of the dog, how the dog is today, what is the recovery rate, okay, so when he will become 100% fine. So like this type of question every day as she was asking through phone call. So she is worried what is happening with the dog, and dog is fighting like the tiger for the meal, and the dog is doing the hunting of the rat in the night. Means the dog is enjoying the life of a dog, okay, and he is not missing the master also. I dogged the question about whether his questions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. So whenever she was calling and knowing about the dog Tricky, doctor was thinking that why she is calling this much time. So maybe she is going to talk about the cushions, okay, how they are becoming torn, or maybe she is going to ask about the correct coat of the weather, means this weather, rainy season is there, so which type of coat I should wear, okay, summer is there, so which type of coat I should wear. So this type of question may be silly questions. Silly means which is not that much important. That type of questions she wanted to ask. So she is calling. But no, she was calling only to know about the Tricky, that how the health of the Tricky is, and is it really improving or not. So children, this is very interesting story which we are able to see and which we are able to relate also. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescently, let's say, sing rapidly. What is the meaning? The meaning is that the health of the dog is improving very fast and the dog is out of danger. So when we say out of danger, means there is no danger to life. There is no danger to life. Okay. The word conversely seems to do something to Mrs. Pamperer. So when Mrs. Pamperer heard the word convalescing, okay, C-O-N-V-A-L-E-S-C-I-N-G, convalescing, she became very much happy, because this word is used to say that someone else is improving very fast. Okay. She started to bring round fresh fish, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. And now this is very funny, which we are going to study, children, that when Mrs. Pamperer got this news that the dog Tricky is showing improvement in the health, she started bringing fresh eggs. How many? 2 dozens at a time. Okay, so 2 dozens fresh eggs is coming for the dog, so that the dog will become healthy. For a happy period, my partner and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. So eggs are coming for whom? Eggs are coming for dog, but doctor is eating the eggs with his partner. So saying that every morning I am having the 2 eggs. Okay. So this is interesting, no? That the owner is bringing the eggs for the dog, and the doctor of dog is eating the eggs, because he know how to do the treatment. Okay, he cannot give this much eggs to the dog unnecessarily. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, not only this much, children, that the eggs are only brought as the meal, but also wine, because Mrs. Pamperer thought that if wine would be given to the dog, the blood level will increase in the body of the dog. But if the wine is coming now, who is going to drink the wine? No doubt, I guess, is the doctor only. Okay. So the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. So now the problem was there that wine started coming for the meal, as the meal of the dog. It was to enrich Tricky's blood, so that the blood of the Tricky will increase. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. So what happened? Doctor is saying that now how the life doctor was living, that before the lunch 2 glasses wine he was having, and after the lunch many glasses of wine he was having. Why? Because wine is sent by Mrs. Pampre for drinking for the dog, and the doctor is taking it. Okay. So here we can stop, children, and we can discuss something. He can inform this thing also, no, that no need of sending this. Okay, we are doing the treatment nicely. No need of eggs and wine to the dog. So why he has not said this? Why he is enjoying the wine and the breakfast, everything? So here one possibility can be there, that maybe Mrs. Pampre is the lady of a nature who is not ready to listen to anyone. If she wanted to give eggs and breakfast and wine to the dog, she will not listen to anyone. So maybe because of this reason doctor has not said something. He started enjoying only. Now page number 5. We could hardly believe it. So what can be done? We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. So egg was sent by Mrs. Pampre, then wine was sent by Mrs. Pampre, and now brandy was sent by the Mrs. Pampre. So this is also the kind of alcohol only, children, I think. Okay. Or maybe this is the costly one. So a writer has given this much importance. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. He is saying that for the few nights what was done? For the few nights everywhere these bottles were around, inhaled means they were smelling also this, and badly they were drinking the brandy which was given by the lady. Okay. So drinking alcohol is very bad thing. Okay, it is injurious for the health also. Children, we should understand this. And while you travel, you can see on the road so many articles by the government. It is there that don't drink, save the life, right? So we should follow that. This is only the story. So we should not become attracted toward these things. We have to understand the part here that only, that something was sent for the dog, but the doctor of the dog was taking that and enjoying. Okay. So they were days of deep content. Deep content means it was a good day, happy day. Whatever the thing they were demanding and they were needing, all the things they were having. Starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxurious around the fire with the brandy. So he is saying that how my days were going. In the morning we are having in the breakfast egg, in the lunch we are having the lunch with the wine, and the night we are having with the round the fire. So fire is there. Okay. How in the cold countries people are having the fire and making the circle and sitting and enjoying. So like that only he is saying that round the fire with the brandy. So like this my days were going. Okay. So do you really think he is a good doctor and his way of doing treatment is correct? Okay, so you can think this. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. So now what the doctor was thinking, that if I will keep this dog as a permanent guest, it will be best for me. So maybe in fun way only he is saying this, right? But I knew Mrs. Pampre was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So he was thinking that if this dog will become permanent guest, it will be very better for him. But the same time he felt that Mrs. Pampere is very much affectionate. So Mrs. Pampere must be feeling suffering. Okay, if you are close to someone, okay, like your parents, brother, sister, your pet animal, and if you are allowed to go somewhere, okay, or forced to go somewhere, okay, you are apart from the person whom you like very much, then it is a bad experience, children. We can understand like that. So felt compelled to phone. So one day he is calling Mrs. Pampere and informing that the dog, little dog, is now recovering. So within minutes, when he informed this, after that what happened? About 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. So outside the surgery, what happened? Outside his hospital, we can say, or compound where he was doing the treatment of the dogs, that one car is coming, okay, this metal. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pampere almost lost in the interior. So the chauffeur, he is opening the door of Mrs. Pampere, and now he is able to guess that inside Mrs. Pampere is only. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. So how the hands were tightly clasped means closed. And the lips trembled. Trembled means it is shaking. Maybe shaking because of nervousness, or maybe it is shaking because of fear. Oh, Mr. Harriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? And she said two lines. The first line, that Mr. Harriot, you say me the truth, that is really the dog is getting better. Now see the answer. Yes, he is fine. Doctor is saying that yes, he is fine. Or maybe children, doctor should say that yes, he is fine and I am also fine, because all your eggs and wines and brandy I have only used. So he is not saying this reality, otherwise he could be beaten badly. So he is saying that yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. And saying that you don't come out of your car, I am only going and I will fetch the dog. I will bring the dog for you. I walked through the house into the garden. And then he is saying that I walked through the house into the garden. In the garden he is going. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. So when he went into the garden, what he was able to see, that all the dogs are playing, we can say. Okay, they are hurting each other and they are just okay, catching, flapping ears of each other, tailing the waves. In all the group of dog, one little dog was there, golden figure, which was the dog Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed. So some changes also was there, physical changes in the dog. What? Into a lithe, hard muscles animal. So first he was very, we can say that he was, he never faced this much struggle in the life, no, like doing the hunting of the rat or fighting for the meals. So he was a very soft, we can say. But now he has become a hard muscle animal. He was keeping up with his pack, starting out in great bonds, and muscular also he become. So we can say complete dog like dog he was now. So we can say like now he was able to look like a street dog. Okay, his chest almost brushing the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. So doctor is saying that I carried him. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pampere's lap. So when the dog also saw Mrs. Pampere, the dog jumped from the lap of Mr. Harriot to Mrs. Pampere. Okay, tremendous jump, means badly he jumped. She gave a startled cry, oh, and that time Mrs. Pampere said, oh, oh means surprising it is, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her. So not, see, from last 15 days what happened, this dog is living with the other dogs. Okay, and he has learned so many things, how to fight, how to hurt. Okay, So when he jumped the master, he started little bit hurting only and licking her face and barking. So three things he did: hurted, licking the face, okay, and he started barking. So this type of thing before he was not doing when he was living with Mrs. Pampre. So these new things he has learned from the dogs, okay. So all the dog qualities he has learned from the dog only. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the bed, toys, cousins, coats and ball. So when he was coming to the hospital, children, in lecture 1 we have studied, no, that all these things was sent to the doctor, that you keep it with you and you can provide these things to the dog. So all these things he returned to Mrs. Pampre and said that none of which had been used. As the car moved, Mrs. Pampre leaned out of the window. So now this time Mrs. Pampre is leaning. Leaning out of the window means coming out of the window and bending. So leaning out of the window, tears shone in her eyes and tears started coming out from her eyes. This was the tears of happiness that you finally had made my dog alive, fine and healthy. Her lips trembled, but the lips were shaking, and it is maybe because of nervousness or when she become emotional, like that we can say. And what she said, "Oh, Mr. Harriot," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a trump of surgery." And what she said, that this is a trump of surgery. So this is a great success of surgery which I kept my dog here and the dog become very fine. And children, actually we all know that how the doctor has treated this dog whose name was Tricky. Okay, he provided one atmosphere only where he can live the life of a dog, a normal dog. So thank you children, have a very good day and try to do all the question answer also nicely.